Okay, it is June 14th at 10:47 p.m. The sirens you hear are the tornado sirens. This is that's rain and lots of thunder. Unfortunately, Osher is somewhere out in that. I'm assuming that. Whoa. Okay. The rain's coming in sideways now. This is one of the primary reasons we don't have to water our lawn much. People always ask the weather like in Ohio. Well, this is a good sampling of the weather. Keep in mind that earlier today it was bright, sunny, no clouds in the sky, and about 86. The temperature right now, I'd say it's probably about 78 degrees. So it is not cold at all. I really am hoping that Xander remains sleeping through all of this. But yeah, it seems like it always thunders after he's asleep. Anyways, for all our friends in California, and especially those in Fresno that have 100-degree dry weather, this is life in Ohio.